To me, science is very important because it means hope to cure. My name is Marta Rodriguez. I am the Director of Clinical and Study Operations at Alta Sciences. The reason I decided to go into science is because of my father and mother illnesses. My mother had autoimmune hepatitis, which caused to have acute liver failure, and she had a transplant. She is here and alive because she takes a lot of immunosuppressant medication that was approved by doing clinical trials. When the condition of my parents happened, I was afraid of not understanding how their care was going to be. So that pursued me to look into healthcare and possibly, expanding my knowledge to be able to help them on their daily living. That's what motivated me to go into a medical assisting program. And after that, I decided to continue to do nursing. So in the Hispanic culture, they don't believe in drugs. They don't believe in medication. They believe more in herbal supplements. And for me to be able to explain to them what was the risk and benefits of the medication and knowing that I was there for them helped them a lot. When my mother tells me how great I am, I feel like I've done everything. And it just fills my heart. I owe them everything I am. I am Marta Rodriguez because of my parents. I'm very proud that I pursued to become, a nurse. Having this knowledge and gaining all this experience here makes me feel good. Whenever I talk to someone about it, they're like, wow, your job is amazing. And it is.